We will do another part of speech, the pronoun today. You know what is a pronoun. Can you tell me? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. A pronoun is used instead of a noun. And in that, we have about 9 types of pronouns. And it's all very easy. I told you, through exercise, we learn. So, we are going to do the pronoun. The pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. So you say a pronoun is a word. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Pronoun. It's a word used instead of a noun, and that's what we need to remember. Now, I'll write down few sentences for you to look at and detect the pronoun. Okay. Look at Radha. She is studying. What is she doing? She is studying. Next. Rita and Ram. Rita and Ram have come to meet her. They will also study with her. They will also study with her. With her. She will offer to help them. She will offer to help them. So we have few sentences here, and let's look at. We said a pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. So now let us look here. Which are the nouns? Which are the pronouns? Now, look at Radha. Radha is that's a proper noun. Now, she is studying. So we found she. This is a pronoun. Look at Radha. We have used she instead of Radha. Instead of saying Radha is studying, she. So she is a pronoun. Rita and Sam have come to meet her. Her. Okay, they have come to, instead of saying Rita and Sam have come to meet Radha, they say her. So she, her. They, Rita and Sam, that they. So they. They will also do the study with her. Her, who is that? Radha. That. So we have, next we have, she will offer. She is also a pronoun. Will offer to help them. Now, the word circled. Look at the words that I have circled. She, her, they, her, she, them. All these are pronouns. What are pronouns? Words used instead of a noun. We have used words instead of a noun. So we have here words she, her, they, her. Then we have some more. She, again, them. All these words are used instead of the noun, and we call this pronouns. All these words used instead of noun, they are all pronouns. Now in pronoun, we have many kinds. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Now words like this, used instead of noun, she, her, they, them, all these are pronoun. We have 8 to 9 types. We have kinds of pronouns, and we'll be doing that in the next. We have 9 different kinds of pronouns.